There are numerous ways to make money online in 2023. In this video I cover 5 popular methods along with brief descriptions of each one. Always remember to stay focused and you can reach your goals. In the first video we went over 5 steps of how to make money online in 2023. If you haven't watched it, I suggest you stop this video and go back and view it for better context on what is to come in this series. I know it can feel like this is impossible and out of reach. There are so many avenues to pursue online, it can feel daunting and unsatisfying at times. Don't be discouraged. You can do it. First up is e-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce involves selling products online, and dropshipping is a method where you sell products to customers without holding any inventory. With dropshipping, you partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipment. You create an online store, market products, and when a sale is made, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You earn a profit from the price difference between your selling price and the supplier's cost. Next up is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. You can join affiliate programs of various companies and promote their products through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. When people make a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission, making it a popular way to monetize online content. A good way to make money online is freelancing. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills and services to a global audience. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, programmer, marketer, or any other professional, you can find freelance work in your area of expertise. Clients hire you for specific tasks or projects, and you get paid upon completion of the work. The next way to make money online is with online content creation. Content creation on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or podcasts can generate income through ad revenue, sponsored content, memberships, and merchandise sales. YouTubers, for instance, earn money from ads shown in their videos, memberships from viewers, and brand deals. If you can create engaging and valuable content, you can build an audience and monetize your channel through various methods. Last but not least, we have online courses and digital products. If you possess expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses, ebooks, or digital products. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad allow you to create and sell digital educational products to a wide audience. You can teach a skill, share knowledge, or offer unique digital products like software, design templates, or artwork. Once created, these products can provide passive income as long as there is demand for them. Remember, the success of these methods often depends on dedication, effort, and continuous learning. It's essential to choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and expertise to increase your chances of long-term success. Stay tuned, or subscribe to this channel for the next videos in the series. We will cover creating a solid business plan and how to apply it to each of your revenue sources you have created. Other future videos in this series will cover how to use AI to help you get set up fast. We also cover how to manage all of your new income streams. Thank you for watching.